Conor McGregor is not expected to face prosecution as part of a criminal inquiry into allegations of perjury as part of a civil rape appeal. The Garda's Major Crimes Unit have been investigating sworn statements made in support of McGregor's legal challenge against a High Court jury's finding that he was civilly liable for the rape of Nikita Hand in December 2018. A Dublin couple had claimed that Miss Hand was assaulted by her then partner, but this new evidence was dramatically withdrawn at the outset of McGregor's appeal in July. Samantha O'Reilly and Stephen Cummins, who swore affidavits in relation to the matter, were arrested yesterday by members of the NBCI. Detectives are attempting to establish if perjury was committed to support McGregor's appeal, or if any persons were induced to commit that offence. However, the Irish Independent understands that no evidence has yet been uncovered that would support a criminal prosecution against the former UFC champion. One source said, "From inquiries carried out so far, the person who swore the affidavit initiated contact, and there is nothing to suggest untoward approaches were made prior to this. The investigation is ongoing, and while that could change before a file is formally submitted, as things stand, McGregor's in the clear," the source added.